Welcome back everybody. It's another beautiful day here in the mountains in Northern Oman. I spent the last night wild camping here at this free campsite. And yeah, now it's time to continue the mission, walking across the Hajar mountain range. Let's go. Okay, today's gonna be a rather short day. I'm only gonna hike a couple kilometers towards the village of Balad Sayt, which is somewhere up there. And apparently it's very picturesque, so I'm gonna spend the day there and rest up a little bit, because tomorrow is gonna be a very exhausting day. I'm gonna climb over these mountains here somewhere, over 1000 meters of elevation tomorrow. So yeah, today rather short, but should be very beautiful. So let's get it. First things first, let's fill up our water at the mosque here. What a terrain! And building these roads probably really isn't easy. It's like a 30-35% incline here, probably. Wow, look at those canyons down there, absolutely massive. So this whole mountain right here is called Jebel Hat. It's a little over 2000 meters high, and if I wanted I could walk along the road tomorrow all the way to the top, or I'm gonna take a hiking trail, which is what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a bit more difficult, probably a little bit of scrambling along the mountain face there. And we're already there, Balad Sayt village, today's destination. Wow, it is absolutely beautiful. Look at all these fields here, and then the village. At the top you have a fortress right in the middle of this canyon landscape. Amazing. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a stroll up to the fortress. No need to be scared. Okay, I'm not sure if it's possible to go up to the fort, because it seems like it's fenced off everywhere. But yeah, still very beautiful. This small village here on top of a hill. Salam. Hello. Hello. Salam. All good. Germany? Yes. Is there a shop here? Shop? Grocery, yes? Food? No? It's closed, yeah? Okay. All good, thank you. Alright, perfect. There's some drinking water right here. And now I'm gonna start looking for a campsite, which might not be easy with the steep terrain here everywhere. Okay, I think I found a place here. Construction site, but nothing really going on. Nice and flat ground.
Come here.
What? How are you? Oh, good. Pass.
This and this and this.
Football.
Yes.
Okay, we can do. Okay, we can play. Wait, I put my backpack. All right, I somehow ended up in a football match, and it seems like 4 versus 1, everyone against me. Or maybe not. Oh. Score! Oh, how did you miss that? Was? Filming, okay.
والله يا
I scored!
ما تخاف سوا طبعا شنو حالك والله فنان الله
Okay, I got a penalty. Let's see if I can score.
Come on!
Yalla.
عندك المرة كيف تمسك والله اننا حارس والله انا حارس خذ زر
Good morning. Oh, I ended up playing football with those kids until it got dark yesterday and my battery ran out, and I decided to just cowboy camp here right by the football field. But yeah, anyway, let's get up and let's get going. First things first, let's fill up some water here by the hospital. Okay, goodbye Balad Sayt. And now I gotta scale this mountain face, which I think is gonna be quite difficult. This is definitely not a walk in the park. I mean, the trail climbs over 1,100 meters in 3 kilometers. Whew, but the view is worth it. What a cool trail this is. Wow. It is quite exhausting, I'm not gonna lie, but I made quite good progress. Down there all the way is the village where I started, and here you can see the valley I walked the last few days through there. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Where are you from?
From Germany.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
When you started from down?
Yes, from Balad Sayt, it's called, I think, yeah.
Your destination too?
Misfat,
Okay.
yeah.
Good, well done.
Yes. You're coming from there or where?
From Jabal Hat.
Jabal Hat. Ah, okay, from
Not
this
so
way.
far.
Yeah, okay.
All
Yeah.
the best.
You're going down or?
No, just having a break. then
Okay,
we'll go.
nice. All right. Bye bye.
You need anything? Later?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, see you. All right, made it to the top. 2065 meters. There's a small plateau here on the peak. And yeah, I only met those two guys there at the top. Other than that, not a single person I saw on the trail. And yeah, it took me a little over 3 hours, but I did take some breaks. So now let's continue through there, I guess, and then go down. And here we have a first view of the southern side of the Hajar mountain range. Quite a bit of atmospheric haze though. And here we have a view of the highest point in Oman and all of the Arabian Peninsula. Jabal Shams, a little over 3,000 meters high. And yeah, the white thing there is part of a military base that they built at the very top. Beautiful view, but my legs really start to get tired, especially my knees. The constant downhill with a heavy backpack. It's not very fun. Last few hundred meters, I still gotta descend down into the wadi, and the sun has already set. So I gotta hurry up a bit. Oh, let's go. Some water. Yes, much needed. So I ended up having to hike a little bit in the dark because my initial plan was to camp somewhere in the wadi where there was a freshwater spring marked. But I couldn't find the spring, so I had to walk a little bit more. Now I'm almost at the village, at the end point of the hike. But now that I have some drinking water, which I ran out of, I might as well try to camp somewhere here. Okay, I pitched my tent next to this building right here. It's locked from the outside, so I assume it's some storage room. Anyway, I'm gonna head straight to bed. I'm super tired. Very long day. Tomorrow I'm gonna check out the village. Apparently it's very nice. And then I'll head to the town of Hamra, where I'm probably gonna get myself a hotel room and rest a little bit. Yeah, so good night. Good morning. I had a peaceful night in this beautiful oasis right here. But my legs are honestly quite sore, and yeah, I can't wait to get into town to have a proper meal again and do some laundry in the hotel and so on. So let's get going. And I'm back in civilization. This is the village of Misfat al-Abriyan. This is the new town, and over there is the old town, and in between you have all these hanging gardens where they're growing palm trees, bananas, corn and so on. And this is Hamra, where I gotta walk down to. Salam. Salam. Hamra? Okay, perfect. 1 second. Okay, shukran.
Hamra.
Hamra, yes. Beautiful. شو اسمك?
Ali.
Ali, okay. Max.
Max.
Yes, نعم. أنا ألماني. ألماني, نعم. Yes. Then, yeah. Man, hitching rides here is so easy. Again, the first car that I stopped for me and took me to Al-Hamra. Now I'm gonna eat something and then head to my hotel. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, you're open?
Yeah.
Okay, you have menu? Or? Yes, okay.
Breakfast?
Yes, maybe lunch. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll take the Arabic shawarma. Yeah, one, thank you. Shukran. Alright, food was good, and somewhere here should be my guest house. And this is what roughly $30 a night gets you here in Oman. A pretty big room, got a double bed, and also a private bathroom. Honestly, pretty decent. And yeah, I believe this is it for this video. I'm gonna take some rest and see you soon. Goodbye.